I'm Tanya Evans and I'm a member of the International Federation for Public History. The International Federation for Public History has established a Vimeo channel to encourage conversation, scholarship and collaboration on a range of public history topics, themes and projects. Public historians base their research on a wide range of evidence. This can be written, oral, material, visual, and they represent their work also, they share their work, they disseminate their findings also in a wide variety of ways, not just in scholarly publications, but also on television, in film, on digital platforms, and we want to encourage public historians around the world. The International Federation of Public History was formed in 2010 to encourage, coordinate and foster the teaching, research and practice of public history around the world. We want to create an international network of scholars and public history practitioners who collaborate on a range of research, teaching and community engagement projects. International public historians often work in a range of public and private settings, and they sometimes pitch their work at different audiences in the process. They can also work collaboratively with the public on their projects. They work with governments at a national, regional, local, international and transnational level. They can also work with community groups, historical, community, local history organisations and family history societies. But they also work with heritage organisations and with educational institutions, organisations and individuals. We hope you will become members of the IFPH and share 15-minute films based on your public history scholarship and practice. Film topics might include history on film, history on television, digital history projects, internships, living history sites, museum exhibitions, and much, much more. We cannot wait to see the fruits of your labours.